You might be ruining your health before you've even had your first cup of coffee. And no, Karen, it's not because your oat milk expired last week. Welcome back, health detectives. Today, we're exposing 10 everyday health mistakes almost everyone makes, yes. Even your yoga-obsessed coworker who drinks kale for breakfast. And stick around, because number 7. That one's going to blow your mind. Don't forget to hit that like button, or your vitamins will mysteriously disappear tomorrow morning. Just kidding, maybe. Mistake number 1. Brushing your teeth right after breakfast. Most people think brushing right after breakfast is a good thing. But here's the surprise. It can actually damage your teeth. Why your enamel softens after eating acidic food, like fruit or coffee? Brushing immediately can act like sandpaper. Fix it. Wait 30 minutes after eating, or brush before breakfast, and rinse after. Mistake number 2. Sitting too long even if you exercise. You hit the gym for an hour awesome, but then you sit for 8 hours straight, like a potato statue. New research shows prolonged sitting increases your risk of early death, even if you work out. Fix it. Set a timer to get up every 30 minutes. Do 20 squats. Or dramatically walk around like you're in a spy movie. Your call. Mistake number 3. Not drinking water when you wake up. If you wake up and immediately reach for coffee, congratulations, you're dehydrated and caffeinated. Your body loses water while you sleep. Starting with coffee first thing is like putting gasoline in a car with no oil. Fix it. Drink 16 ounces of water before anything else. Bonus points if it's warm with lemon like you're a retired Hollywood star. Mistake number 4. Skipping breakfast because you're too busy. Skipping breakfast isn't making you productive, it's just making your body mad at you. Low blood sugar equals poor focus, mood swings, and that lovely hangry rage we all pretend is totally normal. Fix it. Eat something simple. Hard-boiled eggs, Greek yogurt, or even overnight oats if you're fancy like that. Mistake number 5. Taking supplements with coffee. You pop your daily multivitamin with coffee and call it healthcare. But caffeine can block nutrient absorption, especially iron and B vitamins. Take your supplements with food and water, not your triple espresso with oat milk and caramel drizzle. If you've learned anything so far, smash that like button, subscribe for more health hacks, and comment below which one shocked you most. Now, let's get to mistake number 6. This one's sneaky. Mistake number 6. Breathing through your mouth. Mouth breathing isn't just for cartoon villains. It dries out your mouth, increases the risk of cavities, bad breath, and even poor sleep. Fix it. Practice nasal breathing. Tape your mouth shut at night if needed. Yes, that's a real thing. Or just pretend you're in a silent film. Mistake number 7. Using your phone in bed. Ah yes, the bedtime scroll. Where you check your ex's dog's Instagram at 1 a.m. That blue light messes up your melatonin, wrecks your sleep cycle, and turns you into a zombie the next day. Fix it. Put your phone away 1 hour before bed. Or use blue light filters and read something old school like a book. Remember those? Mistake number 8. Over-cleansing your skin. Washing your face 4 times a day with lemon juice and a prayer 1 tea cure your acne. It might just wreck your skin barrier. Fix it. Use a gentle cleanser. Moisturize. Stop attacking your face like it owes you money. Your skin's a barrier, not a battlefield. Mistake number 9. Ignoring fiber. If you think fiber is just for old people, think again. Most Americans get less than half the fiber they need daily. That's a digestive disaster. Fix it. Aim for 25 to 30 grams per day. Add chia seeds, berries, whole grains, or just eat an apple like it's 1994. Mistake number 10. Not managing stress because it's normal now. Busy doesn't mean healthy. Chronic stress increases your risk of heart disease, obesity, and memory loss. And no, wine at 9 p.m. isn't stress management. Fix it. Try deep breathing, journaling, or laughing at videos of dogs wearing sunglasses. Seriously, it helps. It's the little things done daily that really change your health. If this helped you even just one tip, give this video a like. Hit that red subscribe button and turn on that bell like it owes you rent. Comment below which health mistake you were making. No shame. We're in this together. And remember, don't brush your teeth right after a lemon smoothie. Your enamel will thank you. Stay healthy, stay weird, and I'll see you in the next one.